Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely race car right here. It's quite fast. And it has some of these wheels from set 10704. They're quite cool and they're quite big also. So let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so I'm done taking this apart. This does require a lot of flat pieces. Some of them are very small. So if you're at least about 5 or younger, I recommend at least some parent supervision or a parent watching you. So let's count all the pieces. So we have 2 of these axles and 4 wheels, 2 tiles, 1 hinge and 1 connector, 2 of these 2x8 flat pieces, 1 2x6 flat piece, 1 2x4 flat piece, and 1 1x4 flat piece. Alright, so now let's get started. First, get this 2x8. You're going to put a tile in the middle and put 2 of your axles like this. Then place another tile right here and a hinge right here. Then let's place this 2x8 on top and then put a 2x4 flat piece right here. And then get this hinge to stick. And then we'll get this 2x6 to go back here. Then this 1x4 can go along the bottom. And this piece can go right there. Actually, let's use our brick separator right now. And if you want, you can move it back 1. Or even further if you want, but I'm just gonna put it right about there. Put my window right there. And there you go. Yeah, a pretty neat race car. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.